That's where the main pain was.
Say again?
That's where the main pain
Oh,
was.
really? Yeah. You got kicked that low?
I was a bit further up, but I
Mm.
think that was more from the bending down.
Yes.
So long, for long periods of time.
Flooring, yeah. 5, 4.
Plus my when I wear my nail belt, that's where it sits on my hips.
Mm. Here I can feel quite a lot too. Okay, can we check the side here first? Okay, it's popping out there. Okay. So I feel some
Yeah, that
spasms there.
was where the kick was.
How long ago did you get the needling done?
Last week I think it was.
Was it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's good. Slightly here. 2, 1. There's a big one here. So middle. 2, 3. Okay. Good soup. Breathe in, yes, and out. Good. One more time. Yep. And out. Good. Three, 4. I work on this one, okay?
Yep.
Fairly strong. That's good. Can we turn the hip to this side? Looking down again. Doesn't look too low. Okay. A little bit more. so.
Lower neck is better. Upper neck is some big one. You do a big turn. Open the mouth and close. One more. Okay, just squint and close. Slightly to the side.
I had heaps of problems with that right foot for a while now.
The training?
Nah, just training.
Which aspects of training?
Yeah.
When you're doing footwork, stepping, putting the weight, it's okay.
Just not getting the impact.
The only source I can find is from the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you feel that?
Yeah.
Go right first and see whether we can actually move the bone properly from this angle. Yep, okay, so I'm gonna go stronger. Yeah, it feels like a repetitive trauma
Yeah.
from here, so it makes the bone unable to move out that way properly. So that's what we do from the bottom up. This is functioning fairly well. Let's actually squeeze. Okay, now let's do on the left side. Going down. Good. Let's do the other one. Good. And then go look at the sky. This one's okay? I'll adjust, yeah?
Yeah.
But this one's a little stuck as well. It is the same one as the wrist, so I'll go right on it. Just to make sure.
That's the joint anyway.